maintenance, what we always say, often goes under the radar. How can we better recognize the work that the MRO team, inventory teams do?
One of the things that I like to do, and everybody talks about it, is communication. The biggest thing that I see are storeroom people, and you mentioned it earlier, kind of like the heroes behind the scenes that no one really recognizes. But you can bet when there's a part needed because a line is down, the storeroom becomes out in the forefront. But after that part is obtained, the storeroom goes back into the dust, so to speak. So what I like to do is to have our storeroom people involved in A3 boards. I liked where we have what the problem was, what a root cause is, and give a resolution, and then give some what we're doing it to maintain and to sustain it, and actually broadcast that, and really give our storeroom as part of our maintenance team some kudos, so to speak, of the hard work that they do day in and day out.